So, we're on to the next episode. I had to travel very distances, you know. I had to go and make sure I get this lady. Tried to call her, I couldn't get her because she's always busy. She's always up to her stuff. She's always up to the things that she does best. You know, guys. You know, this show is that show where we call them Know Them Better. To know them better, what we do, you ask the question, I ask the stars. And what they do, they reply. So it's either that. If you have not subscribed to the show, subscribe, like, comment, ask as much questions as you'd like. So I traveled. I'm sure you might know those buildings. You might know where I am. I'm at the SABC. She's doing an interview right now and on Metro FM. Of course, you won't see it. You won't hear it right now because I'm not going to post this right now. So she's doing her thing. So I'm like, no, I'm not going to disturb her. I'll just shoot her while she does her thing. And then what do? I post. So you guys can ask all the questions you want to ask. Ask her as much as you want. Who are we talking about? We're talking about the one and only, the lady herself, the legend. I'm sure you've guessed it. You've guessed it. Lady D, Mandayena.
Yes, okay, no cool. All right.
I remember all the other stuff and then we can start connecting.
Yeah,
are you gonna be playing anything from DJ setup?
No.
Okay, sure.
Oh yeah, DJ o tla kopana le wena le tla boledisana.
Yeah.
Wa tseba re nna ke tsebe tlo tshela. Mara no tlo tshela Yeah. I get to be memory. I don't know how you guys do. I think So guys, there it is. Subscribe, like, comment, ask all the questions that you want to ask. Know Them Better season 1. Yeah, again, Land of Blood. Talk to me, guys. Talk to Mandayena.